Would you like to learn how to make 100% natural lip balms that provide sheer tint and complete hydration? Just watch this video and grab the recipe. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga Larnaudie. I'm a natural cosmetics formulator. Here on my channel I share my recipes and my ideas. You can find a lot of video tutorials here. So if you are interested in natural skincare and you want to learn how to make different cosmetic products at home, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go through our supply list, what you are going to need to make your lip balms at home. You will need some recipient to melt your butter and wax. I use a chocolate melter for this. You are going to need a high precision weight scale and you are going to need the jars. I'm going to put my product into these aluminum jars. You can order it on different websites, but actually you can use whatever jar you have already at home. And our ingredients. The first one is castor oil. It has advanced protective properties, it helps moisturize the skin and provides a soft shining effect on your lips. I love this oil in lip products. The next oil we are going to use is jojoba oil, which is also an excellent emollient and protector. Next one is mango butter. You can take shea butter or coconut butter as well. I explain it in detail in text box below this video because the choice of butter can impact on the texture of your balm. The next one is Cera Bellina. It is a modified beeswax that provides a texture to our balms and does not come grainy in time, which can happen if you use regular beeswax. You can still make your balm with beeswax if you can't get Cera Bellina or don't want to, or you can take any vegetable wax, like soybean wax, for example. Please note that the choice of wax might also impact the balm's texture. Vitamin E. This is our antioxidant and it will protect our balm from going rancid. And our aroma. I will use two essential oils, red grapefruit oil and mandarin oil, so our balms will have a sweet and fresh and fruity scent. And last but not least, our coloring agents. Today I will use an oil-soluble natural colorant. It is made by the French company Aromas and it is called Rouge Baiser. It is a carmine pigment which is pre-dispersed in oil. I will also use red mineral mica just to show you how to add mineral pigments to your balms. Where do I buy all those fancy cosmetic ingredients? There is nothing fancy. Today you can find almost anything on different websites, starting from Amazon, but actually there are a lot of websites that sell professional natural cosmetic ingredients, and I'm gonna leave you the links to different websites that deliver in different regions in the text box below this video. Just check it out and order professional cosmetic ingredients if you really want to get a professional result. Those are my oils and wax, and now I will put it in a water bath and heat it till everything is molten and homogeneous. And while my oils are melting, I will weight my essential oils and vitamin E. Okay, we're ready to go. Oils and wax are molten. Now I will cool it down a little bit, add my colorants and my essential oils. Now I want to show you how you can change the intensity of color by adding less or more colorants. So I will start with just a few drops of carmine and add more progressively. And for my last balm, I will also add a little bit of red mineral mica. Now let it completely cool down before putting a lid on it, and you're good to go. Better to use your lip balms within 1 year. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer, and see you next time.